Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you another video on my Jaguar XJR. I'm in the process of dechroming my whole car, and today I'm going to be blacking out the front grille. I'm going to be having several videos in the upcoming week of dechroming the whole car, so please stay tuned by subscribing. But today we're going to be doing the front grille, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So to start off, we are first going to remove the plastic lining. There are some plastic screws and tabs that need to be removed in order to take this off. Now to remove the grille, there's one screw right here and also another one right there. And to open it, we're using a T30 socket. Once the screws are removed, you're going to lift this flap up and you're going to see a tab, one on each side. And to remove the grille, you're going to just push this down and pull the grille out. And make sure you're sliding it out. If you lift it up, these tabs can easily break. There's one on each side and one right in the middle. There are two ways we can remove this grille. One is by removing the mesh, or the second way is masking off the surrounding of the grille. But I'm going to be removing the mesh, it's a lot easier. There's one tab on each side that needs to be popped out before removing the mesh, and I'm going to do the same on both sides. I'm going to apply 4 coats on each side, so once I do 4 coats on one side, I'm going to flip the mesh, paint the other side as well. I let the paint dry for about an hour. Now I'm going to reinstall the mesh into the grille and reinstall the grille back to the hood. And here's the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.